This is the elevator at Belk, Oglethorpe Mall in Savannah, Georgia. There's the elevator sign. And we got a classic rover. Here it is. Look up high in the shaft. You can even see the window there. It's all brown inside too. Here's the floor. Well, watch the window. Wow, look at this atrium. This is beautiful. Here are two. One. Let's get a cat view. This is a really nice elevator. Watch the floor this time. Look at that. This is cool. Here, one. Take up one more time. And watch the window. Here we are two. Ended on one. Look at that love line. And the view again. I love this store and this elevator too. This is a beautiful elevator. Here we are at one. And that's it.